of Fisgon. And look what treat we have here to end with. Excellent mussels Angie's prepared here. That put it from their gourmet canned food, making it on a cracker here made of the area called a marinera. Look at that, right with the views of the Mussel Beds and the beach there. So we're gonna dig into this and enjoy. Well, we're in Moaña at the very end of our virtual tour. Now we've got the nice mussels here. They're the gourmet conserved canned mussels in olive oil, a little bit of paprika and everything. Excellent appetizer with the Albarino wine. So now I'm going to dig into one of these and get a taste with the nice views behind me. Excellent flavor. It's got the hint of vinegar on it, with the nice mussels there that have been prepared perfectly. Of course, the fresh mussels here in Moaña, right from the Bateas, right from the mussel farms, are excellent with just a little bit of lemon juice. This is the best option for the end of our virtual tour, okay? See you later, guys. Now I'm going to enjoy this. Hasta pronto.